another, well, couple of Walmart beauty box unboxings. This is strange, because they sent me 3. They charged me for 1, and sent 3 within a span of like a couple weeks. And I'm like, oh, okay. Alright, not gonna look a gift horse in the mouth. So, out of curiosity, I opened them up just to see what the hell the deal was with the other 2. But, yeah, I'm gonna share with you guys. So, the first one was with this purple cover on it. And this one contains, well, this ripped off of the carded part. But it's from Hard Candy, and it's the 12-hour long-wear setting spray, which, I mean, that's cool. Kind of wish it hadn't torn open, but, I mean, that's cool. Is it an aerosol? Is it a... No, it's a nice pump. Alright. Alright. So, another day, we'll play with that. It smells good, though, so. We also received some Lola regular tampons, because I don't know. I don't know! They sent this little booklet along with the stuff, too. It also shows everything you could have gotten, and I'm like, oh. Alright. Kind of wished I'd gotten some of the other things, but alright. This is full size. They retail for $2.98 for an 8-count box. The Hard Candy is also full size, and it's $5.97 that retails for. I also have this Earth to Skin Blueberry Hand Sanitizer, which, okay, blueberry, I'm intrigued by that. This, let's see here, the full size of this, which this is, retails for $6.99. For this size? You're kidding! Oh, wait. 6x 2 ounces. Okay, so 6 of these for $7. Okay, because I was like, there's no fucking way. That's highway robbery, but okay. That's more like it. Okay, I understand. I see how it is. Anyway. I got another one of these little beauty collagen things, but I finally have a different one than the, like, lemon lavender one. This one is strawberry lemon. $25 for 9.6 ounces. This is not that many ounces. This is just like a trial size, but okay, why not? I'll give it a shot. We have a couple of bio oil dry skin gels. Full size is $5.99 for 1.7 ounces. This that I have in my hand is obviously not the full size, but okay. And then I also have the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne AM treatment, which, yeah, this is not the full size either. The full size is 2 ounces and costs $10. I give it a shot. But yeah, kind of interesting array of products in that one. I was like, oh, alright. Okay then. Well, that was the one I got charged for. I mean, you don't get to see what's in it before they send it out, so this is just the, like, quarterly one that they mail out. Then the next 2 that they sent out, slightly different shades of red. I'm like, okay. Not sure if maybe that's a code for which array of things is in them, but, like, I guess this is the spring box, whereas that one, does it say? Let's look on the other one real quick. I just noticed. See, this one doesn't even say. Although it's hinting towards it being winter by saying the weather outside might be frightful. So, okay, I'm assuming that was winter. Alright. So I have 1 winter box here and 2 springs, I think. Unless, wait. What's this one say? No. This one's summer. What the fuck? So they sent me winter, spring, and summer in a span of 2 weeks. You do you, boo-boo. You do you. Alright. So, we again have our array of things that we could have gotten. Honestly, I'm not even mad over the ones that I got. So I got this Humphreys Witch Hazel alcohol-free toner with rose. I mean, it's a decent size for a toner. Let's see. Full size is 8 ounces. This is 3.3 ounces. The full size costs $11. So honestly, just to try it out, not even mad. That's a good size to give it a little shot with. I've got some Wild Primrose scrunchies here. Look how fucking cute these are. I especially love this one. But, like, those are so cute, and I'm in love with those colors. And my hair is almost getting long enough to be able to wear in one again, so it says these retail from $7.97 to $7.97, I guess, depending on what set you have. So, I don't know, but it's pretty cute. Pretty cute, I have to admit. I'm in love with those, actually. That may be my favorite thing in the whole box. I have yet another of these Hello toothpaste samples. This one's the Epic Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste with activated charcoal, fresh mint, and coconut oil. Full size of that would be 4 ounces. This is 1 ounce, and it would retail for $4. I'm always leery of the activated charcoal in them because it strips teeth of their enamel. I only have one tooth that's not capped at this point, but I'd rather not bust it by doing that. And also the matching toothbrush. How many of these do I have now? I don't know, but they retail for $3.99. But, again, it's one of those things where it's a toothbrush, they don't go bad, so I don't mind having them on hand to switch between as needed. I have a little sample of... Is this even listed? This isn't even listed. It's Tanologist Face and Body Drops, but it's like not enough to really do anything with. I don't know. And then these I like. This is the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Manicure Strips. Totally reminds me of Jamberry. The colors and the aesthetic remind me of Elsa. Everything about this I love. So, alright. Alright, not a bad little box. Not a bad little box at all. Can't even be mad. That was my spring box, and then the summer one that I got. It is all over the place. We have yet another one of these NYX Filler Instinct in Bezos. I now have 3 of this, guys. I have 3. I'll be shocked if I use up one. Does anybody want one? Like, for real, I don't need 3. Why do you keep sending them to me, Walmart? Why? Send me one of the other things. Out of all the things that could have been in here. I'm like, really? Really, though? You couldn't have sent the mascara. You couldn't have sent the eyeliner. You couldn't have sent the NYX primer. Like, there were so many other things you could have sent. Or the Almay lipstick. That would have been new to me. Hopefully in a future box, I don't know. But we have the Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. Full size would be 6 ounces. This one is not even half an ounce. But the full size retails for $8. We have the Dollar Shave Club Shave Butter. Well played. Well played! Dollar Shave Club. Alright. Again, full size would be $7, but this is 1 ounce instead of 6. We also have the Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50. I might actually have the full size of this. Full size is 3 ounces. This one's 0.35. And it retails for like $14.50. I'm almost positive I do have the full size of that, though. I think I just bought that recently. So, anyway. I have this Suave Pink hair regimen, the Smooth Performer. 3-step hair regimen. $4.98 each for the conditioner, shampoo, and smoothing cream. I mean, that'll be good for about a wash with each of these. But, I mean, as my hair's getting longer, I am enjoying things that are making it nice and smooth and silky. I've been using the Garnier Fructis, what is it? The, like, Sleek and Smooth? And it really works. I've been enjoying that, so I kind of don't want to mess with a good thing when it's working for me. And finally, I have these little Listerine chewable tabs, which I didn't know they made tabs. I knew about the little, like, melt-on-your-tongue tabs, but these, I'm like, oh, these are new. Alright. Alright, chew, swish, swallow. That's what she said. Actually, I hope she didn't say that. But those would retail for, does it say? $6 for 24 tabs for the full size. So I guess if I like them, you can buy more at Walmart. So that's what I got by winter, spring, and summer boxes, literally back to back to back. Craziness, especially since they only charged me for one. I guess it kind of makes up for the boxes that they never sent me that I was supposed to get, like, last year. I guess. Anyway, maybe they finally caught up and were like, oh yeah, that person! We should probably send her some stuff to make up for that money that she paid and never got anything for. Anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time.